Welcome back to Life of Millwife. There's Brody. Kevin's got some stuff from Canadian Tire. And he's going to be doing some planting for us. So he was going to build me a wooden planter box, but that didn't work out, so he's doing this. I'll be right back. Kevin's got some old buckets and he's just gonna put some holes in the bottom.
I'll put some cloth in there.
Yeah. I got those last year, I think it was, at Value Village.
Yeah.
The old diaper pails.
Yeah. Actually, I think we've had them longer than that.
Yeah, maybe a couple years. So what are we planting?
Tomato and pepper.
And carrots and radishes.
Yeah. I'm just really second guessing about drilling a hole in this bucket, but
Why?
I don't know. I didn't pay for it.
Brody, stop eating the grass. So what are you using?
Huh?
What soils are you using?
I don't know.
The Scott's Garden and Miracle Grow?
Yeah, and whatever that stuff is. It was the cheapest dirt they had. I wasn't paying.
Mm-hmm. Whatever happened to the days of getting like 5 bags of dirt for $10 or whatever?
All gone. All the dirt's gone.
Oh, we're late, are we?
Yeah. Like they had lots a while ago.
Mm-hmm.
Right? But
Gotcha.
I didn't think I needed that many bags of dirt.
The problem is we're still getting frost up until recently, so
Yeah. It should be good enough for height, eh? I don't need it right full.
no, it's fine. Air conditioner just clicked on. What kind of tomatoes did we get?
I think they're Aroma. Yeah.
Roma.
Aroma.
So I'll bring you back, Homer, when he's done getting them all in the buckets. So he's got all 4 done. 2 pepper plants, 2 tomato plants. And just got to do the radishes and the carrots now. Unfortunately, we don't have space to have a decent garden, so this is what we're doing. You got to do yard work too, right? Like fill in grass seed and stuff. And
Yeah, just like back a little bit
Yeah.
there. I'm not worried about that over there. But
no.
yeah, up front.
And Brody's checking out the plants. Aren't you, Brody?
Alright.
Alright, so I've got my radishes, my carrots, peppers, Roma tomatoes. Kevin's gonna put some soil there and plant some grass seed. Here's Mr. Brody laying in the shade. He's watering. I'll take you out front and show you what he's gonna do out there. We have a really hard time growing grass around here. So he's going to try and plant there, grassing. We have a lot of critters that live under our porch and stuff, so they tend to eat everything, so we didn't bother doing gardens. We have this one with some perennials, but I love hostas. We have in the past put annuals in there too, but not this year. This patio here seen better days, but it was just a bunch of pallets, so we made a patio. Got them for free, why not? All right, there you go. And there's my front window, smile as you walk. So that's what's going on today. We'll talk to everybody later.